Yeah.
my
Okay.
Eid, my Ramadan festival, and my dress.
Yes. 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 Okay. I will do that.
Hello,
Good morning.
Professor.
Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you. Piacere mio.
It's been how long since we met? 3 weeks.
Around, yeah, 3 weeks.
Yeah.
2 weeks.
Okay.
More than 2 weeks.
So, Wajid, today you're looking incredibly elegant in your shalwar.
Thank you. Thank you, Professor. So this is my cultural identity, like shalwar kameez.
Yeah.
So
But many people wear shalwar, but this is very, very smart what you're wearing today.
this is not ideally shalwar. This called pajama.
Oh, it's called pajama.
Pajama,
Oh,
pajama.
okay. Okay.
Pajama and kameez like kurta.
So pajama and kurta.
Pajama and kurta, yes.
Pajama is the pants. This I didn't know. What's shalwar then? Explain to me what shalwar means, because I know shalwar kameez, and that's like,
Yeah, yeah. Shalwar is basically or normally with kind of downside pancha. Here.
okay, yeah,
So
yeah.
it's more open from downside.
Okay.
And then pajama is straight like a pant,
Okay.
come pantaloni.
Oh, I didn't know that.
And
Yeah.
kurta is normal if you can design a little bit here, here like kurta. Kameez is like with collar or front pocket, simple.
So when I see someone like Jemima Jemima Khan
Jemima
wearing what I would call shalwar, but actually I don't think her pants were so wide. They were slim.
That also pajama.
That's pajama. Then what I'm talking about when I talk about shalwar with you is sort of a. I think it's very elegant to have slim pants
Yes.
and a slim
Clean
kind
shirt.
of kurta
Long shirt.
or kameez. So a kurta is shorter and a kameez is longer. Is that right?
No, no. Kurta is same size with kameez, but if you do some little bit designing
Yeah.
with kameez, it becomes kurta.
Ah.
Simple. Simple is kameez. Little bit designing is kurta.
Ah.
For the past couple of years, I lost my little bit cultural identity. I didn't wear for couple of years my kameez shalwar in Italy because I didn't have. So I call my family to send me some
Ah.
kameez.
Okay.
And today is Jumma. Venerdi Jummatul Vida, important Jumma of Ramadan.
So today is an
yeah.
important occasion and you are wearing your clothes
Of
and
course.
you feel more Pakistani.
Of course, more
Okay.
Pakistani, more Muslim culture, more engaged with Ramadan blessing.
Okay.
So we celebrate this day also.
So that's very interesting. So one of the things I have noticed that you are very good at adapting culturally. And I noticed that mostly when I see you, you are wearing like just normal Western clothes, like jeans and your leather jacket, right?
It's normal.
And normal shirt. How do you feel in yourself when you wear Western clothes? And why do you usually wear
Western.
a Western style, Italian style?
Western, as you maybe you pointed out, Western style pant